Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tankless water heaters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Echo Tinamatch 110-volt tankless water heater. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $59.99, making it ideal for anyone looking for an affordable solution for under-sink water heating. Its compact design is perfect for small spaces, and the ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius ensures flexibility for users with different preferences. The build quality is lightweight yet durable, weighing only 2.44 pounds and featuring rust-proof components for longevity. While it doesn't offer the high wattage or advanced features found in premium models, its 3,000-watt power output is sufficient for basic tasks like washing hands or dishes. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its simple mounting design and standard 1/2-inch NPT thread size. However, this unit is not suitable for large-scale applications or high-flow water demands. Its efficiency is impressive for its price point, and features like dry combustion protection and overheating safeguards add to its reliability. If you're on a tight budget and need a simple solution for point-of-use heating, this product might be the one for you. Pros include affordability, compact design, and ease of installation, while cons are limited heating capacity and somewhat basic functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the Rheem 11 kilowatts, 240 volts tankless electric water heater. Priced at $245, this unit strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a solid mid-range option. Featuring an on-demand hot water system and a flow rate of up to 2.68 GPM, it's suitable for smaller households or low-flow applications, such as a single bathroom or kitchen sink. The design is sleek and practical, with an adjustable LED temperature display and self-modulating power control to ensure efficient energy use. Its stainless steel finish and compact dimensions, 8.25 by 12.63 inches, allow for convenient wall mounting in tight spaces. While not as powerful as higher-end models, its reliability and efficiency make it a great choice for those looking for an electric solution without breaking the bank. The Rheem 11 kilowatt unit excels in energy efficiency, boasting a 99.8% rating. However, its lower flow rate means it may struggle to meet the demands of larger households. Pros include its consistent performance, durable build, and user-friendly operation, while cons are its lower maximum flow rate and limited use for high-demand scenarios. Overall, this is a dependable choice for smaller-scale hot water needs. Our number 3 pick is the Renain Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, priced at $299. This unit is designed for households that require reliable, continuous hot water across multiple points of use. With a powerful heating capacity of 80,000 BTU and a flow rate of up to 3.6 GPM, it's perfect for supporting 2 to 3 water supply points simultaneously, such as a bathroom, kitchen, and bar area. The design is robust and functional, built to handle indoor installations. It comes with 4 preset modes tailored for different needs, including dish mode, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and infant mode, 107 degrees Fahrenheit, offering enhanced convenience for various applications. Plus, the included exhaust pipe means you won't need to purchase additional components for installation, saving you money and hassle. While this unit provides excellent performance for medium-sized households, it's not recommended for areas situated above 2,000 feet due to altitude limitations. Pros include its high heating capacity, versatile temperature modes, and bundled installation kit, while cons are its relatively higher price and specialized installation requirements. If you're looking for a natural gas option with solid performance, this product delivers. At number 2, we have the EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Priced at $206.61, this unit stands out for its patented self-modulating technology, which ensures efficient energy use by adjusting power output based on demand. With a maximum flow rate of 3.1 GPM, it's ideal for low-flow applications like a bathroom or office break room. The design is compact and space-saving, measuring just 11.5 by 8 by 3.75 inches, and can be mounted on a wall or installed at the point of use. Its LED temperature display adds user convenience, while its 99% thermal energy efficiency guarantees that you only heat water when needed, reducing energy waste. It also comes with a lifetime warranty on electronics, exchanger, and element, providing peace of mind. While the Eco 11 excels in energy efficiency and compact design, it's not suitable for high-demand scenarios or larger households. Pros include its advanced energy-saving technology, consistent performance, and space-saving design, while cons are its limited flow rate and water heating capacity. If efficiency and reliability are your priorities, this product is a fantastic choice. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater, priced at $429.52. As the premium option on our list, this unit is designed to meet the needs of larger households or high-demand applications, with a robust flow rate of up to 4.4 GPM and advanced self-modulating technology. The design is sleek and modern, featuring an external digital thermostatic control with LED display for precise temperature adjustments, ±1 degree accuracy. Its durable copper immersion heating elements are field serviceable, ensuring long-term reliability. Installation is simplified with bottom 3/4-inch NPT water connections and threaded fittings for easy replacement. With its 99.8% efficiency rating and powerful 18 kilowatt output, this unit delivers consistent and continuous hot water on demand. It is ideal for households with multiple simultaneous hot water needs or professional applications. Pros include its high flow rate, durable build, and advanced temperature controls, while cons are its higher price and relatively larger size. If you're seeking the ultimate in performance and reliability, this product is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.